Good morning, good evening, good afternoon even. Welcome to my page. My name is Maureen, sometimes called Mo. I answer to both. I want to share this opportunity with you to earning an income online. Either it be passive on the side or it could eventually become your main source of income, depending on what you put into this. Guys, if you put your efforts into this and learn from the training, I can assure you, some people already have given up their 9 to 5s. It's called Infinity Processing System. I've got you in my back office here. I actually joined at the pro level, and honestly, the amazing training you get in attraction marketing is second to none. You go through these processes on video. I'm not very good at looking at a manual and following instructions. The fact that it is done on video makes it so easy for everyone. Welcome to IPS Marketing. Now, Adriana, the amazing lady who is the founder of IPS, she goes through the system with you. She actually creates a web page for you with your details on it and creates your PayPal payments buttons. Anyone who signs up with you, they'll be able to get into your video and press play. Now, this will be your page. Obviously, you're seeing mine, but it's fantastic. I was on holiday in Spain, had a fantastic time. I want to go back, pandemic permitting, but this is what your prospects will see when they sign up with you. Now, IPS has 3 levels. You've got the starter level at $50 or $50, as the Americans say. 150 is the elite level and 300 is the pro level. I personally went in at pro. There is a video that you can watch before you actually decide which level would suit you best. It could be that you want to go pro. It could be that you want to start at the starter level. It's entirely up to you. At the starter level, if you look at this section, sales, commission per sale, and daily income, you could earn $350 a week. $350 a week. It's not a lot of money for some, but then for others, it is a lot of money. It doesn't matter what level you start at. If you're making an income, wow. Here we go to the elite level. This shows your potential income. It isn't actual. You make it actuality when you put in your promotion. And this is potential earnings on, wow, on the pro level. Wow. And being on the pro level, you can also promote the levels beneath you. So that's an incredible bonus. I'm looking at these figures and I'm thinking, whoa, that would, mind-blowing, guys. Okay, this is for you if you're tired of struggling and feeling stuck and confused. You're a college dropout. Well, not necessarily. You could do it in conjunction with your college work. Who knows, it might pay for your tuition. You're a stay-at-home parent. As we know, fathers, mums, stay at home. Looking for a way to make some extra income for you and your family, and you're ready for your big break. You're tired of your job, or even don't have one at all, and want to have the ability to get paid daily instead of every couple of weeks. It's all set up for you inside this amazing system. And imagine what it would be like. Learn the same strategies that 6-figure earners are applying every day in their businesses. Not having to worry about making ends meet. Quit your day job, the rat race, and start leading a life that you love instead. Wake up when you want and work as much as you want. Whoa. Have more money in the bank to pay your bills, take a vacation, or build your business even bigger. The decision is yours. Now, if you join the system or you're thinking of it and you'd like to have some proof, we do have people who will say, look, show us proof that, people are making money with this system. So if you hit me up on my Facebook, I'll put my link below, and just send me a message saying Infinity Proof Group, please, and I will invite you. As you can see, they have an invite here, so hit me up on Facebook and I'll do that. Here we have some people who are making money. Brilliant. There's loads of people. Don't think the market is saturated. There's room for everybody. There are millions of people globally. This is something you could do as a digital nomad, as long as you have internet access. And here I am. As you can see, I joined at the pro level. Here's one of the ladies making some money. Received 300 bucks. Oh my gosh, this person was just chilling, man. And the money's just coming in. Wow. Wouldn't it be great to be in that position? Now, this guy, James, he is awesome. He is killing this thing. He is making money. And he's not selfish about it. He's actually helping people. If I have any questions about, my strategy and is this good, is it not, he will let you know, and he responds within good time. He is, as I say, he's awesome. And here I am. I received payments, and it's really weird. You're kind of used to going out and having to strive and earn, hustle for what you want. Okay, that's how you make your money. But to sit back and suddenly look at my emails and it says, oh, you've got a payment, it's like, wow, wow, rock on. Guys, if you're fed up with the narrative, if you're fed up with the final notices, things are past due, it kind of overwhelms you. You'll get tensed up. You can change your narrative. You can change your future. Take a leap of faith, guys, and do this. You won't regret it.